Hello everyone. I am quite sure that all of you are preparing for the competitive examination, and those examinations are must. It should be NQT, yeah, TCS, yeah, Ignite, Will, CAT, MAT. So these are the common competitive examinations which you are preparing for. Maybe the students of AQ, yeah, PPU hardly it matters because at the end of the day you were fighting for the competitive examination. You were preparing for that. You were competing with the other people. And for that particular purpose, I have prepared this particular video that so that you can easily crack those kind of examinations. Particularly if I am talking about the verbal reasoning section. अगर verbal reasoning की बात करें, there are a lot of problems which you people are facing on daily basis. I am getting lots of calls from your end. I'm getting lots of WhatsApp messages. Sir, इसको please आप एक बार इस verbal reasoning के ऊपर कुछ practice session हम लोग को करा दीजिए. To solve that particular purpose, to solve that problem, this time I'm going to present a practice session with you, right? And this practice session will be completely related to questions related to verbal reasoning. So you will come to know at the end of the session that how the words are correlated, how the words are combined, and what should be the relationship between the words, and in that way we should proceed. So without wasting time, let's get started today's session. आज के सेशन में आप जानिएगा कि कैसे हम लोग वर्बल रीजनिंग में एक वर्ड के साथ दूसरा वर्ड कनेक्ट करते हैं. तो चलिए सेशन की शुरुआत हम लोग करते हैं. वीडियो को अंत तक जरूर देखिएगा ताकि आपको एक क्लियर कट आइडिया मिल जाए कि वर्बल रीजनिंग में वर्ड को हम लोग कैसे कोरिलेट करते हैं. चलिए हम लोग जान लेते हैं. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ हम लोग मूव करते हैं. राइट, ओमिनस इज टू मेनेसिंग. ओमिनस एक वर्ड है जिसके साथ मेनेसिंग और एक वर्ड दिया हुआ है. दिस इज अ पेयरिंग वर्ड्स, कॉम्बिनेशन वर्ड्स. सो एट फर्स्ट यू हैव टू डिसाइड कि ओमिनस के साथ मेनेसिंग का क्या रिलेशन है. दोज वर्ड्स आर नेगेटिव. These two words have negative connotation, and those words means अशुभ जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं. So similar kind of words, it means that the relationship is synonyms. Right, now let us move to the next pairing words. यहाँ पे क्या लिखा हुआ है? यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है modern is to what? It should be what? Now the question mark in that particular slot, you need to pick the correct option. Options are given below as you see that. First option it is anger. Second one trenchant, either aggressively or scorn. First of all, you should come to know that as already I have told you that the relationship is synonym. So what is the meaning of modern? Modern means sarcastic. Modern मतलब होता है sarcastic. So ऐसा कोई वर्ड आपको ढूंढना होगा जो sarcastic का synonymous word हो. तो out of the four options, first option anger, it means गुस्सा. Second option trenchant, it means sarcastic. So my dear students, the correct answer will be option B. Now grizzly and scorn, these are not related to that particular word. So indirectly we can say that yes, modern will be modern is to, the correct answer will be trenchant. So you will pick option B as your correct answer. So you have I have tried to give you the idea. I've tried to give you the idea that in which way you should proceed, what should be the relationship between these two words. First one, it is ominous and menacing, as you have already found the synonymous relationship, and the same relationship is going to be implemented in the second case. So modern is to, it should be trenchant. Let us move to the next question so that you will come to know that what it should be. So the second question, here it comes. Haughty is to arrogant. These words are once again synonyms. So haughty मतलब होता है both arrogant attitude, and arrogant itself is arrogant. So what you are supposed to do, you have to apply the same relationship in the next pair of words. Next pair of words की तरफ जब हम लोग move करते हैं, I am finding the word is fritter, as you see that. फ्रीटर मीन्स व्हाट? फ्रीटर मतलब होता है किसी चीज को वेस्ट करना, किसी चीज को बर्बाद करना, स्पॉइल करना, यूजलेसली किसी चीज को स्पेंड करना. सो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट दैट ऑप्शन which means the same as I have already said. So haughty is to arrogant, synonymous relationship. This relationship is going to be implemented in the second pair of words. Out of the four options, first one, fashion, it doesn't have any connection with that. Reduce, no. Squander, yeah. This is the particular word which can be correlated with the word like fritter. Frittering opportunity means squandering. ठीक है, उसको waste कर देना. And resume, that is something different. So your correct answer will be, of course, option C. So here, the question number 2, the correct answer is option C. Let us move to the next question. चलिए हम लोग जान लेते हैं थर्ड क्वेश्चन में क्या रखा हुआ है. Well, here comes the third question. It is zealous is to fervent. Now, do you know what is the meaning of zealous? Zealous मतलब होता है highly enthusiastic, किसी चीज करने में बहुत ज्यादा इच्छुक हो. So it is the synonymous word of fervent. So as you find, the pairing is zealous is to fervent. Once again, it is the synonymous relationship. So how would you correlate the word like affluent? First of all, you should know what is the meaning of affluent. Affluent मतलब होता है wealthy. एफ्लुएंट मतलब वेल्दी. तो वेल्दी का ऐसा कोई सिनोनिमस वर्ड आपको आउट ऑफ 4 ऑप्शंस ढूंढना है जो उसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा. इफ आई गो थ्रू द ऑप्शन, आई एम फाइंडिंग दैट देयर इज फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज रिटन सीज. सीज मतलब होता है स्टॉप, किसी चीज को रोकना, स्टॉप करना. एंड ऑप्शन बी डॉगमेटिक, इट मींस रिजिड. ऑप्शन सी ऑप्यूलेंट, या दैट इज द वर्ड व्हिच यू आर सर्चिंग फॉर. एफ्लुएंट मतलब होता है ऑप्यूलेंट. ऑप्यूलेंट इज एक्सट्रीमली वेल्दी. And pangs, that means pain. So it doesn't have any connection with this word. So your correct answer is, of course, it is going to be opulent. So affluent is to opulent. You should select option C as your correct answer because this is the synonymous relationship and you have to implement it in the second pair of words as well. So let us move to the next pair of words so that you can be dead sure that you should know that what should be your ideal approach. Let us move. चलिए हम लोग जान लेते हैं next pair of words क्या है. The next pair of words, if I go through that, I am finding the word is recede is to advance. Now, my dear students, recede मतलब क्या होता है? किसी चीज को back में जाना, right? Get back. And advance means just opposite. You have come to know this is the opposite relationship or the antonym relationship. So in the second pair of words, you have to find out a word which should be the antonym of or opposite of germinate. Generally, what do you mean by the word like germinate? Germinate means to produce या to grow. तो इसका opposite क्या होना चाहिए? कोई भी प्रोग्रेस होना तो उसका उल्टा क्या होना चाहिए? उसका उल्टा होना चाहिए उस प्रोग्रेस को रोक देना. कोई एडवांस नहीं होना, राइट? सो यू हैव टू गो फॉर दैट ऑप्शन व्हिच मींस जस्ट अपोजिट ऑफ जर्मिनेट. एंड आउट ऑफ द फोर ऑप्शंस, if I am going through all the options, you are finding the first option. It is written redundant. Redundant means unnecessary. Diminish is reduce. Option C, divulge, it means to express something. And cease मतलब होता है stop. Yes, exactly. This is the word which should be the opposite of the word like germinate. Germinate का opposite word होना चाहिए रोकना, and that is cease, and it means stop. Correct? So I am quite sure that you are getting the actual process, how you should proceed in these kind of questions. You have to first identify that what is the relationship between the first pair of words. And once you get it, you should go for the next one and you have to implement that relationship in the next word. So let us move to the next question and we will. I think these questions are enough to clarify your doubt, and I have tried my level best. Not a single question is additional question is included in that. I'm quite sure that all the questions that have been discussed by me in this video, you are dead sure that what should be your actual approach. And one more thing I'd like to tell you that yes, you should keep on practicing because it's all about practice. If I talk about the examination like NQT, TCS, Ignite, your WILP, your CAT, MAT, whatever you are going to appear, the verbal reasoning is going to play an important section, important role. So I have tried to give you the idea that in which way you should proceed. I'm quite sure that all of you must have understood what I wanted to convey. In the coming videos, I'll be presenting more interesting topics, right? So that it could be really beneficial for you to crack those kind of examination. That's all from my side today. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.